To the course we go now, and the Sunshine Girls will have a short turnaround between their Tri-Nation Series next month and a trip to the UK after confirming a three-match series against England Roses for November. The Sunshine Girls will be involved in their first home series since the start of the pandemic, when they host Trinidad and Tobago as well as South Africa at the National Indoor Sports Centre from October 9 through the 23. Now, the Connie Francis-led coached team will also have eyes on a series in the UK from November 28 to December 5. The England series has been pending for a long time, as the Jamaicans were due to play the series in January but was prevented from travelling due to restrictions between the countries. Jamaica and England will meet at the Copper Box Arena in London on November 28. Before playing two games at the Motor Point Arena in Nottingham on December 4 and 5. The series is however subject to COVID-19 travel restrictions. The fixtures gives the Sunshine Girls and their coaching staff the opportunity to continue preparing for the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham in 2022, where they will seek to improve on their third place finish from 2018.